Balita ko na-realize mo raw na scam ang school system. Napansin mo raw na training grounds lang ito sa path of employment. Naku! Alam mo ba ang next na gagawin mo niyan? Well, nahanap ka ng video na to kung stuck ka sa 9 to 5 mo. Gusto mo ng freedom pero hindi mo alam kung paano. Kung feel mo na pag-iiwanan ka sa buhay kaya ka nape-pressure. Kung feel mo nasasayang ang potential mo sa trabahong hindi mo gusto, this video is for you. Pero let me remind you na hindi mo kasalanan yan. Nagkataon lang na ipinanganak ka sa sistemang hindi akma sa'yo. Parang square peg in a round hole o kaya naman air gun in a war zone. Di ba? Parang Zaki, no? In this video, matututunan mo ang 3 secrets sa inner game na hindi tinuturo sa'yo sa school. Hindi ka makakarinig dito ng discipline, hard work at consistency na walang ginawa kundi magpa-feel bad sa'yo. Sa video na to, i-cover natin ang 3 secrets na to. Una, attention control. Pangalawa, I am awareness. Pangatlo, reality creation. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, kailangan mong maintindihan na merong inner game at merong outer game. Ano ba yung inner game at outer game na yan? Okay, simula tayo sa outer game. So, the outer game is everything that is visible and tactical. If may business ka, ito yung mga marketing strategy, tools, and anything external. Dito madalas nakafocus yung mga bulag na galing sa school system. They want to earn and work hard their success dahil yun ang tinuro sa kanila. Kaya nagtatagal sila sa trabahong hindi nila gusto because they want to earn their way up to success. But the times are changing. The outer game has been easier than ever and your refusal to believe it is the only reason why it's so hard for you. Ngayon, ano naman ang inner game? The inner game is everything that's invisible and internal. Ito yung attention control, I am awareness, and reality creation. Dito, nakafocus yung mga kilala kong 7-digit entrepreneur in their late 20s and early 30s. Dahil alam nila na kahit gaano kaganda yung strategy at tools, magkakaroon ng income ceiling kung hindi ka aware sa inner game. When you play the inner game, magkakaroon ka ng paradigm shift that will completely change your life. Dahil the people I know who focus on the inner game believe that money is not something you work hard for, but something that naturally flows when your state of consciousness is right. Ngayong alam mo na ang inner game at outer game, pakilala muna ako. Ako si Nilon Reality, founder of Talyaro Healing Center. We are a company who helps people heal from their emotional wounds and feel alive again through our signature retreats. Pero I stopped facilitating retreats even if I was already earning close to 7-digit per month by selling experience alone. Yes, without any product. Well, I stopped to pursue a newfound passion which is yung tatlong ituturo ko sa iyo ngayon. Attention control, I am awareness, and reality creation. Okay, so start tayo sa secret number 1, attention control. Sabi ni Neville, the great secret of success is controlled imagination and a well-sustained attention firmly and repeatedly focus on the object to be accomplished. Now, attention control is deeper than stopping doom scrolling or productivity boosting. You see, attention control is the recognition that your experience in life, whether good, bad, or indifferent, is solely based on where you're investing your attention. As Neville said, all transformation begins with an intense burning desire to be transformed. Ibig sabihin, if you want money to flow, you must let go of the beliefs that bills is equals to stress. Sabi nga, you must be transformed. Tuloy natin, you must want to be different and intend to be different before you can begin to change yourself. Then you must make your future dream a present fact by assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. At ito exactly ang attention control. If you've been focusing on what's lacking, you will experience your world in a state of lack. Kaya nga sabi ni Neville na make your future dream a present fact because he's inviting you to change your attention. Tuloy natin ang sabi, you cannot commit yourself to do what you do not love. You must concentrate on the state desired until it has the feeling of reality. At ito nga yung secret sa attention control. Ang sabi is you cannot commit yourself to do what you do not love. Kailangan yung attention mo is nakafocus lang dun sa feeling na makukuha mo once your desire is now realized. And many are asking, kapag ba finokus ko lang yung attention ko sa feeling ng realized desire, enough na ba yon to see results kahit walang action? Pwede ba yon? And the answer is yes. Well, paano? Well, see it for yourself. You see, for the next 7 days, commit on assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled every morning and before you sleep. And see how unexpected doors will fly open, unexpected channels will be free, and an endless avalanches of abundance will pour out upon you under grace in perfect way. So that's the secret number one. Next tayo sa secret number two. I am awareness. Your I am awareness is your true state of being. Ito yung ikaw without the name given by your parents, without the job title given by the society, and without the stories of success and failures in the past. Yung I am is the foundation of how things are made in this world. Merong isang book na laging nare-recommend ni Steve Jobs sa maraming tao at ito yung The Autobiography of a Yogi na nalaman kong binabasa rin ni Maxine Magalona. At sa librong Autobiography of a Yogi, makikita mo na lahat ng tunay na spiritual teachers from Yogananda hanggang sa mga enlightened teacher, lagi nilang binabalik ang tao sa pinaka-essence, yung awareness na I am. Dahil bago mo pa masabing I am Nilon o I am successful o I am a failure, meron munang pure na awareness na nagsasabing I am. And that's exactly the secret. Whatever you attach to your I am is how you create your reality. Kapag sinabi mong I am poor, makikita mo sa paligid mo puro reflection ng poverty. Kapag sinabi mong I am wealthy, unti-unting lalapit sa iyo ang mga tao, sitwasyon at opportunity na magpapatunay na mayaman ka. Ito yung hindi naiintindihan ng mga taong nakaprogram sa school system, no? Ang I am ay isang creative force sa mundo. Parang canvas ang I am. Walang laman sa simula pero kahit anong kulay at imahe ang iguhit mo, yun ang lilitaw sa harap mo. Kung gusto mong baguhin ang buhay mo, hindi mo kailangan mag-umpisa sa labas. Dito ka magsimula sa simpleng pag-recognize at pag-claim ng kung anong ididikit mo sa I am. And that's the secret number two. Secret number three is reality creation. Now you might be asking, gets ko na yung I am, pero paano ko naman gagawing solid at tangible yung gusto kong reality? You see, that's a great question. Oo nga naman, no? Paano mo gagawing kasing totoo ng hangin na nilalanghap mo yung desire mo? Paano mo maipapadala yung imagination mo sa physical world mo? Look, ang buhay ay parang algorithm ng social media. Matalino ka at alam mo na ang algorithm ay nakadepende kung sino ka. If you love cats, you'll see cats in your feed. If you hate corruption, you'll see corruption in your feed. I can go on and on hanggang maintindihan mo na itong simulation na tinatawag nating reality shares the same algorithm with social media. Ibig sabihin kung saan ka nagbibigay ng atensyon, yun ang magiging reality mo. Kaya kung lagi mong sinasabing I am stressed, I am broke, I am unlucky, guess what? Yun ang lalabas sa feed ng buhay mo. Paulit-ulit mong iisipin na hanggang maging normal sa'yo ang I am unlucky. Pero kapag sinimulan mo ng palitan ng I am abundant, I am loved, I am free, unti-unti magbabago ang algorithm. Bigla na lang may darating na tao para tulungan ka at may lalapit na opportunity na hindi mo ini-expect. Reality is not outside of you. It's being streamed mula sa loob mo papunta sa screen ng mundo mo. Kaya kung may negative thoughts ka, swipe up mo lang agad para malaman ng algorithm na iba na yung gusto mo. Kapag may empowering thought ka naman, dun ka magbabad. Tandaan mo, feed mo to my friend. Hindi ko feed at hindi rin nila feed. Ikaw ang responsibilidad gawing healthy ang feed mo sa simulation na to. So, recap tayo para mas matandaan mo. Una, attention control. Focus only on the stage you want, not the lack. Pangalawa, I am awareness. Whatever you attach to I am, becomes your reality. Pangatlo, reality creation. Life is an algorithm. Change your input and your world changes. So starting today, ikaw na ang may hawak ng remote. Ikaw na ang nagpo-program ng reality mo.